Hey y'all. Hey guys. It took me about 20 minutes to figure out how to get my camera to start recording. But other than that, I got a new camera. So now you guys are really gonna get to see better and I get to be a little bit more professional. That's all. The past few weeks, I have bought some new makeup. So I decided to do a little bit of first impressions. I want to see how they wear on my face, and I want to give my review, pretty much. I have the new Wet n Wild palettes. I bought Flower Beauty blushes. I've heard a lot of good things about those, so I really want to try those out. The Benefit, the new BadGAL Bang mascara. The Makeup Revolution concealer, I'm gonna try it. The Becca Backlight filter primer. I'm gonna try this out because you know I like the purple one. So I'm gonna try this out and see if it really gives me a good glow. I also picked up the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. So we're gonna try that too. If you keep seeing me look to the right, sorry. I'm trying to get used to the little screen on my camera and try to focus more on the lens because that would be talking to you guys. Without further ado, let's just jump into my video. Alright, so let's start with the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I am so excited. I hope this gives me a glow from within because that would be dope. That's what I need. Put a dollop on my finger. It smells good, that's for sure. It is kind of glowy, which is what I'm looking for. I love every bit of that. It feels similar in texture to the purple one that I was using. Okay, I have my foundation on. I just use the same foundation as I normally do. The Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer on. This has the same felt tip applicator as Shape Tape. I love that so much. I love being able to actually show you the product up close and then it just refocus on me. I'm sorry y'all, I have never had a DSLR camera before and this is the coolest thing ever. It seems pretty thick, which I guess can be a good thing. So I'm gonna blend out one eye first and then I'm gonna move to the second eye. Wow. By the way, this was $7 and I guessed my shade online. This is C6. Wow! 10 milliliters in Shape Tape, 3.4 milliliters in Makeup Revolution, but for $7? Let's blend it out now. I mean, it's definitely creasing some under my eyes, but I do have like small wrinkles under my eyes anyways. And that's okay because we're gonna try out a new powder today. I'm now going to try the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I bought the shade 10 Fair Light and hopefully this is gonna work. So I'm gonna take the tip of my beauty blender and I'm gonna lightly, I guess, dip in this powder. Okay, so I did my bronzer, my brows. I just kind of, so I know I look kind of weird right now, but anyway, I think I'm gonna try the one without the shimmer in it. In a way, I feel like this powder is making my wrinkles, under the couple wrinkles that I have under my eye, I feel like it's making them show out a little more. So I don't know about that. So I'm gonna lightly dip into this because I don't know how much is gonna come off yet. I think I like this. Ooh. This color, by the way, is called Sweet Pea. I'm ready to dig into one of these palettes here. I don't quite know which one I'm gonna use. So let me go ahead and prime my eyes real quick. I have heard very good things about these two palettes, and at Walmart they were literally like $4.80 or something like that. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling this one for some reason. I'm gonna do a little swatcheroo of a couple of them. Not bad. Wow, I am surprised, actually. Okay, I gotta do the blue. I have to stick my finger in the blue shade. Blue's not as pigmented as I was hoping. The blue isn't that pigmented. Let me go in again. I'm not digging the blue, I'll be completely honest. I'm gonna dip into this transition shade up here. I'm going to put that over my primer to pack it down. There is some fallout. Ooh. I'm gonna go into this transition shade now. These have like really good pigment, by the way. I'm surprised. Like the mattes are really good. Well, I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but don't worry. I'm actually gonna try to use as much as I can in this palette. So let's just take the orange. I'm just kind of putting that in my crease. I'm gonna go back in and blend out the edges here. I'm just trying to get the crease as dark as I can, so when I cut it, it'll look good. I'm going to carve out my lid. I'm going to take some of the same Makeup Revolution concealer and take a little brush. I'm literally going to put this on my lid. And it literally doesn't have to be perfect, like the lines, because you're gonna blend it out anyways. So I'm gonna take my same brush, that same orange color right there, and I'm gonna slightly go over those edges.
Ooh, look at those.
Let's just do it. Let's just go in. All or nothing. I decided to take this one. Decided to take that one first. So I wet my brush. Oh. That's so pretty. I'm not done though. I know it looks like a lot of orange on my eye right now. I'm gonna take some of this one and put that in my outer corner. Maybe I'll just take some of the gold anyways, and I'll just kind of dab it around the middle of my eyelid. I'll just take some of that one anyway. I'm gonna go do the other eye real quick too. Yeah, there's definitely some fallout on my face, but that's okay. I literally just take like a fluffy brush and just sweep it away. Take some more of that gold and pack it over. That's so pretty, oh my god. Beautiful. Wow. I think the eyeshadow palette is a win for me. I really like it. I'm gonna do my lower lash line now. I think I'm gonna take this pink shade now. I've literally used almost every shade in this palette except for the blue one, so I'm proud of myself.
I have eyeshadow in my eye.
And I'm gonna take this darker brown right here and put it real close. For the lash shadow, I'm gonna go in with this one right here, and it's kind of got a little bit of a shimmer in it, so I'm gonna try this as my inner corner highlight, and we're gonna see how it works. You can tell that it's there, but it's not showing up as bold. Alright, that's the finished eye look. I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm so excited to try out the new Benefit mascara, Bad Girl Bang Volumizing Mascara. But before I put that on, I have to put setting spray on. This is what the packaging looks like. I bought a mini version. Y'all already know why. So it's kind of like a bendy tip. So let's try it on. But first of all, holy shit. Oh my god. Okay, wow. Can you see the difference? This mascara is bomb. It says 36-hour full blast volume, gravity defying formula. Y'all, get this mascara. The Colourpop, the new Colourpop highlighting palette In-nude-endo, I bought it. It's amazing. This is what it looks like. You can tell I've swatched and used all of them. I will show you my favorites. Fine Line, On Tempo. Those two are my absolute favorites. So I'm gonna use Fine Line. Gotta do some on the nose. I was ordering from Colourpop whenever I ordered that palette, and I also ordered one of the new Ultra Matte Lips, Midnight Snack. I love this color! So guys, this is the finished look! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Actually, just list them all below in the description box, whatever I used. So, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. See ya. I can't get into this. Why do they make it so hard? Hi, Corey.